Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we have these questions from AppSumo, and it's beautiful when you can tick all the questions, no, all the requests from a user like this one, no. He's saying I want to put a QR code. Well, he's saying it's a marketing agency. I want to put a QR code with a Google review link for a restaurant or shop so they can scan the QR code and go to a form where he puts his name and email. Okay, let's do this part first. So let's go to your account. Let me go to one account I have for demos. So I have this account. So we can create a widget for a business. We are going to do one from scratch, widget for sales. I activate this widget. Let's call this small shop in Naples. Okay. We want to give you the best pizza. Okay, so this is a restaurant that serves pizza, and we want to share the QR code with the form. The form we put it in the in the agent section. Let's call this agent Nicolas. This is the phone number. I serve the best pizza. Okay, and we want to capture name, email, WhatsApp phone number, and that's it. Order your pizza. Okay. So we are going to capture the data from the user. This data this data goes to your WhatsApp number, goes to your email, and goes to your CRM section. The CRM section is for each widget you create, you have its own CRM. Okay, so it's not like, we have a view to collect all the leads, but each widget is going to have its own CRM. Okay, so you don't mix leads from one widget to the next widget. Each one is separated. Okay, so this widget has its own CRM section. Okay, in the leads section I have here all the information, and I can download the data. Okay, so I want to put the QR code. We didn't show that, but let's go to the widget. This is the same for each widget. You have this QR code. If you have your phone at hand, scan the QR code like I'm going to do, and you will see that this opens the landing page of this business. Okay, so we are going to scan the QR code, and this is going to show me this business, small shop in Naples, and the form. Okay, so very convenient for any customer who goes to your business. They scan the QR code and they go straight to the form, and they can fill up the information. Okay, so QR code check, form check, the software keeps the name check. Okay, we give you a CSV, we have webhooks. Here you have we have very beautiful integrations for you to send the data out, like a webhook, Hotspot. All the CRMs are here for you to connect the data. Okay, so this is the same, included, unlimited, as many as you want, as many as you need, as many as everything you have. So check, and then the last part is, let's send the customer to a page, and we do it exactly as he's saying here. Okay, the starts, the redirect, all that. How we do that? We need to have, of course, the the Google review link. Okay, we need that with, I mean, from your Google My Business, you will have the link. We go to the widget. Let's go to Naples, and here in the advanced features, you have automated Google My Business review. Okay, you put here the link, you click check, and you need to select how many days you want from the lead generation to the Google review. Okay, you have from 1 to 10. Okay, so that's the settings we have. So what that means? That means when we request a review, when we capture a lead, the day after, we are going to send a message for the Google review. Okay, how that works? This works exactly as the user is saying. First, we go to this page. If the customer provides a green, like a positive experience, we send the customer to Google review. Okay, if the review is not positive, we send the customer to an internal comment, okay, or a description. Internal. This is going to be sent to you. How this works on the CRM. Let me show you this part because we are very happy about this, and I think it's worth sharing this with you. This is an account where we have this done for a while, and let me show you how is the experience when you have a bunch of users. Yes, let's go here. Let's go to the leads. And it's not only that we do all that automation, no? Is that here you can filter leads that they give you a good experience. You can filter users with a normal experience, only one, and you can filter users with a bad experience, that we have one. Okay, what that means? That means you can check, comment, chat, call these customers. Okay, maybe you want to the ones with a good experience, you want to give them a gift card, a coupon, a discount, something, and the others maybe you want to give them a call just to understand what is happening. So all the data is here. You have the data of the leads, you have the scoring from the review. The review is sent automatically to your customers. They go to a landing page where they can give you a review. So all that is being take care from the customer on their behalf, 100% automated. So this is what we do, and it's amazing that everything you are asking is in the application, is unlimited, is white label, is everything, and you can share, you can do a white label solution, and in the team section you can invite your customers to your account. So let's say this shop is going to have access to their leads, to their scoring, to the report, everything. And this is something you can use 100% unlimited. One customer, 2 customers, 20 customers, hopefully 100 customers. We want to give you the best experience, the best tool, the best platform, for this type of marketing activities. So please create your account, use it. Everything you have here is included. We are doing it, as good as possible, and we want to give you the best experience, for your agency. And we want to make your agency, like a super nice, agency. Like your customers are going to be delighted, with the service you provide. And please send us your comments, send us your ideas, because everything we have done here, all these features, is being done because someone asked for it. There was another guy saying, "Hey, will be nice to have this in the platform. Hey, will be nice to have something like this in the platform." And these tools, the QR code, the CSV, the Google Redirect, the Google reviews, we know are very important for small local businesses. We know a tool like this one really helps these businesses, really makes these businesses better. We know asking for a Google review is a pain in the ass, is something you don't want to do, it's hard, things like that. And we know you don't want everyone to give you a Google review. We know, there is a filtering process where you want only the good ones to go to Google review, no? So that's important. That's something we want to help you. That's something we want to keep improving. We want to make the experience as good as possible. So please, use it, try it. Let us know what you think. Let us know if we really help you. And, if you need help, please contact us. We are here to help you. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.